We're filming here.
Should have just gone with it when you could have. Hi Wanderers, today is Pro Tip Tuesday, and today's pro tip is WeatherTech floor mats. I was not sold on these. John was a big proponent, and I hate to say it, but he was right.
You don't have to hate to say it.
Oh, I hate to say it. But he was right.
Yes, I was.
We purchased the WeatherTech floor mats for our Sprinter van. They do normally come connected together. It creates this weird hump though. It's not designed exactly to meet the hump in the floor.
Right.
So we cut ours.
So we cut starting here, all the way around the hump, and then over there. So this
It's
whole...
really flat, but we still have the ridge to catch spills if we need to. You asked. We delivered. Now we have memberships. You can join Wander Wiseley and be a part of our adventure. You can be a weekender, a boondocker, or a wanderer. Each level has different benefits, some of which are seeing our videos early, getting merchandise, or just following along for the adventure. So join. And don't forget to get your Sprecko merchandise at the Sprecko shop. Show your pride, represent your vehicle, and support Wander Wiseley. We love you. We also have the extra centerpiece back here.
It's kind of like a tray.
It is a tray.
Yeah.
It has been a game changer. You can just hose them off if you have muddy shoes or feet. If it's raining, snow, you can clean them up really easily.
You can sweep them out too.
You can sweep them out.
Vacuum.
Makes for a very clean front end. Also, if you have dirty shoes, you can put them up here so you don't get the back of the van all dirty. You can keep them up here until you can get your shoes cleaned.
Right.
It's been a great investment. John was right. It's on video. I admit it.
You do have to be careful though which ones you order. You got to be thoughtful about it because there are a few different kinds.
There's a few different kinds of Sprinter vans that have different floor configurations.
And floor vents and such.
Yeah, so you do have to make sure you're ordering the right year, the right model,
right,
the right style of cab.
And this actually comes with a little cutout behind your feet there. You can see a cutout for the brake, the emergency brake.
Yep, right
so
here.
It just hugs it.
It goes right around, so it fits really well. You don't trip on them. I was afraid of that. I thought I might trip a lot. I haven't at all.
Nope.
Really enjoy them. Pro Tip Tuesday, get yourself some WeatherTechs.
And they're not a sponsor, but they should be.
They should be.
Could drink all night and still make the dawn, walk a straight line when the bottle is gone. Now one sip of whiskey puts me down for the day. Guess the good Lord took my while away. Yeah, I used to could, but I can't no more. Time's a thief that knocks on every door. Got a few good miles left under this hood, but I ain't what I was. I used to could. I used to could fight for pride or love. Now I pray for peace to the man above. Used to could run when the trouble got thick. Now I just stand still and let it stick. Yeah, I used to could, but I can't no more. Time's a thief that knocks on every door. Got a few good miles left under this hood, but I ain't what I was. I used to could. I ain't crying about the years gone by, just learning how to live before I die. Still hum that train song when I'm alone. Still got a fire, it just burns slow. I used to could love like a hurricane, leave hearts behind in the driving rain. Now I hold one woman and I hold her tight, and thank the Lord I made it right. Yeah, I used to could, but I can't no more. Time's a thief that knocks on every door. Got a little more grace than I thought I would. Guess I still can, just not like I used to could. Yeah, I used to could. But these days, I just do what I should. There's a blacktop river only Johnny knows. He was born with fire in his veins and sin in his grin. Got his daddy's old Dodge and a jug full of gin. Friday night thunder, blue lights flash, bootleg whiskey and a trunk full of cash. Sheriff said, boy, you best slow down. But Johnny hit the gas and he left that town. They called him Johnny Lightning, fast as hell, burning up the back roads, raising Cain and rebel yell. He'd tear through the pines like a stormy night, outrunning the law and gone by daylight. Yeah, Johnny Lightning, the legend still rides tonight. Got scars on his knuckles, smoke in his eyes. Still hears that engine harmonize. Moonshine dripping like gold from a spout. May the devil smile and the angels shout. You'd hear that hemi roar like a thunderclap, a ghost on the blacktop with a rebel's map. They called him Johnny Lightning, wild and free, the fastest thing Georgia ever did see. He'd laugh at the law in his rearview light, gone in a blaze before you said goodnight. Yeah, Johnny Lightning, riding into the night. One night the sheriff set a trap down low, blocked off the bridge where the cold winds blow. Johnny hit the jump, said I ain't gonna die slow, and vanished through the fog like a tale told long ago. Now they whisper his name when the thunder rolls, say he sold his soul for the open road. You can still hear that hemi in the pale moonlight, a flash of chrome in the southern night. Yeah, Johnny Lightning, still burning through the pines tonight. Some say he's gone, some say he's still out there running shine with the ghosts.